When we bought Gran Blau, the survey already flagged that we had osmosis in the hull, so no surprises. What we didn't fully appreciate was how long it'd take to put right. The hull's thick at the bow, thicker than most, and getting all the moisture out meant a full year of drying out in the yard. Right through COVID was when it happened, and it was a blessing. This is the moisture meter doing its job, checking she's actually dry before any repair goes back on. It was a great job, well executed and fully cured. I'd like to introduce Gran Blau to everyone. She's in the water today. 2 years. It's a what? Caldera is a what? Tinker. And where are we? Oh, that was good timing. How did you do that? Just do with the chair.
Oh, the chair, just a bit smaller, I think.
How's your beer?
Can't beat enjoying them.
Well done. It's all in the training, you know.
Yes, Mum.
What do you think, Sue? Cheers. Don't burp. No beer burping, please. As if you would. So now she's going in the water. Final preparations. Hello? Second time today. First time with a leaky through hole. Second time, hopefully, no leaks. Boats just take time and money. Patience. Oh, there we go. Okay. Off we go. We go. Yeah, she's right bloody mess. So, as you can see, a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. Back in the water. Being towed around the corner to our berth.
Tirar, tirar, tirar. Sí, pero que vaya recto ya. Ir yendo para allá.
Tengo faena, no me...
Yo soy el director de orquesta. Pues toca algo. Toca algo, Oscar.
Estábamos tirando.
¿A quién me has de dar, Gustavo?
Ah, no, aquí, aquí.
Pero sería... No,
Pues entre en el hierro azul nuestro, el hierro de... Hablando maestro.
No, el muerto ya sé que...
No lo es, pero solo habla.
¿Será este?
Sí, pero no.
¿Por qué te quedó una bolsa?
No, está abajo.
This is a lot better than this morning, Sue.
Ah, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Everyone's screaming at each
I know, doing a great job. Yeah. Proper blokes who know what they're doing. Talking about the weekend and beer and football. Yeah. Ah. There's my heifer. I do have challenges. Engineer's been in organising the service of the engine, but we've had a problem with the rudder. So tomorrow she's been lifted again, and the rudder's been dropped, and the rudder stock's been changed. Steering is really stiff. It was a recommendation on the survey to have a look at it, and in hindsight we should have done. So you live and learn. So tomorrow, update on where we are. Back out the water, drop the rudder, show things hunky dory. So we're dropping the got the shoe off.
¿Sabes qué? A ver. Falta muy poco, muy poco. Esta vez me traigo hacia aquí, ¿sabes? Tú, espera un momento. ¿No? ¿No? No se mueve.
Big old unit that's been probably there for years and years and years. Seemed to have released it. It's on its way back up, which is a good sign.
Yo bajo, me la apoya. Traigo un taco por aquí. Podemos tomar ahora con ¿me acuerdas, no?
Lots of conversations and cigars. For watching to the end. In the next video, we step the mast. She finally starts to look like the true beauty she really is. Like and subscribe, it does help us out. Thank you.